Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change the left-hand wheel out on your Eufy RoboVac 11s. So it's the left-hand wheel as you're looking at it from the top, or the right-hand wheel as you're looking at it from the bottom. So it's this one over here. So first things first, make sure it is off. So Eufy is off right now, and we need to take off this little side brush, like so. So just pull up firmly. We have 4 screws that we need to undo, here, 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 and here. And you need a Phillips screwdriver, a little crosshead screwdriver. This is a Phillips 0. And we're just going counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. Now you can buy replacement wheels from places like eBay. And nice and gently now, we're going to get a flat blade, like a blunt knife, and I'm just going to gently lift it up from here, all the way round. Be careful because there is a little spring on here, and then we're going to lift it out like so. So we're just going to unclip it from here, and that's the spring release. Just put it down the bottom there. And we've got a little connector just here. So nice and gently, don't yank on the wires too hard, but just gently give it a wiggle and pull it down. You should find that it comes out. That is it. That is now the motor assembly and wheel assembly out. So once you get your replacement one from somewhere like eBay, we're going to then put it in. There's nothing wrong with this one. I'm just showing you purely for the video. So what we have to do is we have to get the connector. Don't force it in the wrong way. It will only go in one way. So if you're trying to put it in and it's not happy and it's not going in, chances are you've got it in the wrong way. So it doesn't want to go that way, but it wants to go this way. So I'm just pushing it home like so, and just push it all the way in. You can see now that that's been pushed fully home. Right, so now that's home, we need to just clip the spring onto this bit here. So get the spring and just put it onto here like so. And now we're going to just line it up and push it home, and you can see now it's in place, and all we have to do is do up the 4 screws again. This time we're going clockwise. And that's it, they're now done up. We can put the side brush back on again by just pressing down. That's in place. Turn it on. Hopefully your Eufy will work again. There we go. Thanks for watching.